Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone, especially to our dearest instructor, Sir Muldong. Good day, sir. I'm ACK Kenneth H. and my group mate Joe Makapagal, and we are here to present our report entitled IT Culture and the Society. Based on our report, ano-ano nga bang pag-aaralan natin or i-discuss namin sa inyo the IT culture and the society? The first one is the IoT of things. The number one is marketing perspective. Enable communicate between devices to enhance useful information that creates new value for human needs. It's a word. Marketing perspective is a word that people communicate to devices or devices communicate to people. Like example, ads of the YouTube is an example of marketing perspective. Like shopping in the Lazada, TikTok, Shopee, or other apps that we can shop. That value for our human needs. Three perspectives: things with identities or visual personality, operating in smart spaces using intelligent interfaces to connect and communicate with social, environmental, and user contexts. Technology perspectives is important to our lives because we can easy access. Without technology, we may find it hard to do things with technology. Technology affecting all of us is a part of our lives. Natutulungan niya tayo, nakakuha tayo ng idea to technology, pero may disadvantage rin ng technology like nababaliw or nasosobrahan na because we already know our technology. The third phase of our efforts, the IoT or the Internet of Things. Internet of Things, in my own definition or opinion, Internet of Things na lahat po ng devices na tumutukoy sa lahat ng devices na nakakonekta sa internet. And ito po yung advanced technology for our future like television, microwave, na bulbs, lahat po na ginagamit natin sa bahay. And for our human needs. And like example, we can see, touch or hear the advanced technology. Yung C po is yung like the CCTV. Yung touch po, yung dati pong may padlock, ngayon fingerprints na po. And here, like the speaker, like Alexa, na kahit anong sabihin mo, mabilis po siyang magko-connecta. Why IoT is important? The Internet of Things allows people lives and work smarter as well as gain complete control over their lives in addition to offering smart devices to automate homes. IoT is essential for our business, and IoT enables companies to automotive process and reduce labor costs. It also cuts down on waste and improves service delivery, making it less expensive to manufacture and deliver goods as well as offering transparently into customer transactions. Internet of Things, ito po yung mga nag-invent, nag-create or nagpatunay na meron pong IoT in our words. The 1990s, the John Romke is creates of IoT devices, a toaster that control with his computer. Ito po yung nag-advance po siya na siya po yung gumawa ng machine toaster or the technology toaster na nakakonekta po through devices or technology. 1999, Kevin Anston, siya po yung nag-coin of Internet of Things, siya po yung nagpatunay. 2020, 2000, LG introduced the first connected refrigerator with 20 price tag. Siya po yung nag-introduce po ng first connected refrigerator po na nakakonect sa cellphone or technology na nagkakalaga po ng $20,000 or may kumulang po ng 1 million sa atin. 2008, the world first IELTS conference of Zurich, Switzerland. 2010 is the Tony Fadels. 2013 is the Oxford Dictionary. Is the Internet of Things. Siya po yung nagpatunay na rin po na meron po Internet of Things in our world. 2014, Amazon introduced the Echo speaker like the Alexa. 2016, the MyRive Bonnet infected over 6,000 IoT devices with the malware. 2020, the number of internet connected devices but some of 20 billion. This is the advantage of IoT or the Internet of Things. Ito po yung mga example. Example po na our life to easy access na napapadali po yung mga buhay natin. And this is the disadvantage of the IoT. Meron din po na mga disadvantage yung IoT. Ito po yung mga example na nagiging or sobra-sobra na po ang paggamit ng IoT or mali na po kung paano gamitin ng IoT. Application of IoT, smart homes. Smart home fuels with the connected products are loaded with possibilities to make our life easier, more convenient, and more comfortable. One of the highest Internet of Things application on our measured channels. Smart homes, ito po yung mga ginagamit po natin to our life easier, na napapadali po yung mga buhay natin, mas comfortable, mas convenient, mas napapadali po. And ranks as high Internet of Things application to all measured channels. Ito po yung pinakamataas na ginagamit ng tao to connect channels like Wi-Fi, shopping, like sinabi po yung kanila, yung marketing perspective, technology and perspective. Issue of IoT, the last is wearables. The second area in the IoT, most of them connected with smartphones, devices for the wrist, example, smartwatches, devices put on like spectacles, Google Glass, smart garments. Ito may mga example like watch na mabilis pong uminit in the IoT or the Internet of Things na sinusuot po through connect device.
Application of IoT, smart grids. Smart grids use information about behavior of electricity supplier and consumer in a automated fashion. These technologies help deliver power more efficiently, improve operation, reduce emission and management costs, restore power failures faster. Ang smart grid ay isang modernong sistema ng pamamahagi ng kuryente na gumagamit ng teknolohiya upang mapahusay ang kahusayan, pagiging maasahan, pagpapanatili at pagkikipag-ugnayan ng consumer sa pamahala ng paggamit ng kuryente. Application of IoT, Industrial IoT, aims to improving productivity and efficiency in businesses. Many market researchers such as Gartner of Cisco see the industrial IoT as concept with the highest overall potential. However, its popularity currently doesn't reach the masses like smart home or wearable too. Ang Industrial Internet of Things, ang mga pang-industriya operation sa pamamagitan ng pagpapagana ng connection, pagpapalitan ng data analytics, malayo ang pagsubaybay, predictive na pagpapanatili, mga pagpapausay sa kaligtasan, at ang mga pagpapabuti ng kahusayan sa pamamagitan ng pagsasama ng mga matalinong teknolohiya sa mga industrial paligiran. Of IoT, Connected Health. IoT in healthcare is a heterogeneous computing wirelessly communicating system of apps and devices that connect patient and health providers to diagnose, monitor, track, and store vital statistics and medical information. Ang connected health ay gumagamit ng teknolohiya upang mapahusay ang paghahatid ng pangangalagang pangkalusugan, isulong ang pagkikipag-ugnayan ng pasyente, pagbutin ang pag-access sa pangangalaga, at i-optimize ang mga resulta sa kalusugan sa pamamagitan ng malayuang pagsubaybay. Telemedicine, palitan ng data, personalidad na pangangalaga, pamamahala ng malalaking sakit at mga aplikasyon para sa kalusugan. Application of IoT, Smart Retail, focuses on two areas: improving the customer experience, optimizing supply chain operations. Ang smart retail ay gumagamit ng teknolohiya, data analytics, and customer-centric na mga diskarte upang baguhin ang karanasan sa retail. I-optimize ang mga operasyon at imukin ang paglago ng negosyo sa pamamagitan ng pagpapahusay sa karanasan ng customer, paggamit ng data analytics, pagpapabuti ng pamamahala ng inventaryo, pagsasama ng mga diskarte sa omnichannel, pagpapatupad ng matalinong mga sistema ng pagbabayad, pag-automate ng mga proseso sa store, at pagpapatibay ng pagkikipag-ugnayan at katapatan ng customer.